Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And last night I made a video about putting text, making text the same size with a, so this is part 3, the other one was part 2, where you can take this text and hit the letter W and it's going to make it fit inside that box. And I started thinking, even to make it faster, select the name first, then hold down the Shift key, selecting both, and then hit E and the letter C, and what that's going to do is going to put it into that spot. So let's back up here and make Billy. So we're going to hit W. The name is selected. We're going to hold down the Shift key and select this inner box, and then it doesn't matter if you do EC or CE, and it put it into that box. Then if you want to get rid of that letter, you can set your nudge distance on like 6 inches. Nudge that out of the way. David, W, Shift select both boxes, EC, and you put it in that box. And then you could actually nudge that over and down. And then Tom is already 2.5. So just select the box itself. And I'm going to go CE this time. It's the same thing. It doesn't matter which one you do first. The important thing in this is you pick your item first that you want to go in there. So if you pick the circle and then Shift select the David and go EC, it's going to move the circle. So if you pick David first, then the circle and hit CE, it'll move David into the circle. That'll save this person, if he does a lot of names, a little bit of time. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.